Nika M. I am pursuing my first year MSc in Food Science and Nutrition in Yuvarajas College, Mysuru. And today's my topic is antibacterial activity of lemon balm, which is scientifically called as Melissa officinalis. Melissa officinalis, it is a medicinal herb. It has a recognized beneficial effects on stress and anxiety, and it is commonly known as lemon balm. It is native to the eastern Mediterranean region and Western Asia. The oil which is extracted from these lemon balm, it is used for strengthening the memory and relief of stress-induced headache. Next, moving on to the taxonomic classification. They belongs to the genus Melissa and species Melissa officinalis. Morphological characteristics of lemon balm. Stem grows about 0.6 meter tall and grows up to maximum height of 1 meter. Leaves, they are roughly heart-shaped or oval and are borne in pairs. The leaves can be smooth or somewhat hairy. Flowers, the small flowers are produced throughout the summer. The flowers are tiny white to pale yellow or pale purple color. Fruits, the fruit is dry but does not split open when ripe. Next is geographical distribution. These lemon balms is commercially grown in Italy. They are usually found in semi-shade or shady areas. In India, it is cultivated in Kashmir, Uttarakhand and some parts of South India such as Coorg, Nilgiris, Wayanad, Kodaikanal. Now, phytochemical constituents. These lemon balms contain several phytochemical constituents, such as these are some of the phytochemical constituents. To talk about rosmarinic acids, these rosmarinic acids, they are the powerful antioxidants that is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, and it is believed to have a calming effect on nervous system. And next one is flavonoids. They contain several flavonoids such as quercetin and luteolin, and these compounds have a antioxidant properties and believed to help reduce inflammation and support immune system. Next, essential oils. They contain essential oils such as nerol, citronellal, and these essential oils gives lemon balm a distinct lemon flavor or lemon scent. Next is traditional uses. These Melissa officinalis leaves has been traditionally used for different medicinal purpose, such as tonic. And these lemon balms, since they has a calming effect on the nervous system, it is used to relieve anxiety, stress, and nervousness. And they also helps digestive system. They help in digestion, and they also relieve from bloating, gas and indigestion. Lemon balm has also used to treat infections caused by bacteria, virus and fungus, and it is also used to relieve pain and discomfort associated with menstrual cramps. And lemon balm, it also treats diabetes, depression, obesity as well as cancer. These are some of the pharmacological activities of Melissa officinalis. Now, moving on to the antibacterial activity. In the year 2017, Faima et al. Studied the antibacterial activity on E. coli. As a treatment, they used ethanolic extract of 5 microliter per ml. As a result, 17 to 18 millimeter zone of inhibition was observed and 0.13 millimeter of minimum inhibitory concentration was observed. In the year 2022, Michael et al. Studied the antibacterial activity on the same bacteria. But as a treatment, they use aqueous extract of 1 microliter per ml. As a result, they observed 14 to 17 millimeter zone of inhibition and 0.012 millimeter of minimum inhibitory concentration. In the year 2022, Michael et al. And Faima et al. Studied the antibacterial, but as a treatment, Michael et al. Used aqueous extract of 1 microliter per ml. As a result, 14 to 21 millimeter of zone of inhibition was observed and 0.010 millimeter of minimum inhibitory concentration was observed. Faima et al. Used ethanolic extract of 5 microliter per ml. As a result, 12 to 14 millimeter zone of inhibition was observed and 0.12 millimeter of zone of minimum inhibitory concentration was observed. In the year 2017, Irina et al. Studied the antibacterial activity on Staphylococcus aureus itself, but as a treatment, they used ethanolic extract of 1 microliter per ml, and there was no zone of inhibition observed, and 0.12 millimeter of minimum inhibitory concentration was observed. In the same year, Irino et al. Studied the antibacterial activity on Bacillus cereus. As a treatment, they used ethanolic extract of 1 microliter per ml, and as a result, 10 millimeter zone of inhibition was observed, and 0.03 millimeter of minimum inhibitory concentration was observed. Conclusion: the aqueous extract of Melissa officinalis showed microbial inhibition concentration of E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. And they also showed maximum zone of inhibition in Staphylococcus aureus E. coli. The ethanolic extract of MO showed increased microbial inhibition concentration in Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Bacillus cereus, and also showed maximum microbial inhibition concentration in E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Bacillus cereus. The maximum zone of inhibition was observed in E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and minimum concentration was in Bacillus cereus. The lemon balm can reduce the virulence risk in food. Thus, it is a promising natural preservative for the food industry, becoming a viable solution to decrease microbial growth. To summarize this, whole presentation, studies have confirmed that Melissa officinalis exhibit antibacterial activity against a wide range of bacteria. It has been found to inhibit the growth of several bacteria responsible for common infections such as Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Salmonella typhi, making it a possible natural alternative to conventional antibiotics. These are the products of Melissa officinalis. These are my references. Thank you.